Dealer says sell this much silver, then buy. We have a silver to gold ratio that is really working in our favor. And most silver stackers are completely ignoring this. First, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. You should be the next winner. Take that silver home. Click that link. Get in on it. Now, at 102 to 1, that's where we're at. 102 ounce. I'm holding about 20 silver rounds. I would need 102 of these to swap out for 1 ounce of gold. So this has completely discouraged many silver stackers. But my local dealer explained to me that we have a perfect scenario when we have a wide spread like this. And most stackers don't understand this. This is what he's telling me. If the spread is wide in general, dealers love that. That's what they look for. They look for extremes. They look for a wide silver to gold ratio, and they look for a tight. Anything extreme. Of course, tight, clearly, when we've gone to about 33 to 1. That means I'm almost there. 33 ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. Around 2008, off the top of my head, we hit that, and maybe 2011. There were two, in my lifetime, it's happened 2 or 3 times, where the ratio is tightened so much that you could swap out. And I've done that. I've swapped out during those times. It's very exciting. So dealers look for the extreme. And when you have a wide extreme like we have now, 102 ounces to 1 ounce of gold, what we should be doing is having this work for us. Meaning, if you were going to pick up fractional gold, which many stackers are looking at fractional gold now, the half ounces of gold is now the 1 ounce, right? Or maybe I'm saying that in reverse. The 1 ounce of gold is now the half ounce. It's almost impossible for a regular person like you and I to pick up 1 ounce of gold. 3,400, hovering at 3,400 an ounce, we can't do it. Regular people, you cannot, it's impossible. It's too expensive. So the half ounce is what we're shooting for. We're shooting to cut that in half, and if we're stacking gold, we're going for half ounce. Now, what my dealer is telling me is if you can look at it that way, and you could accumulate 25, again, this is about 20 here, silver rounds, 25 silver rounds, you could swap that out for a 1/4 ounce of gold, and you won't have to pay the enormous premiums that come with fractional gold. Anyone who's tried to pick up fractional gold, you know the premiums are way higher than a full ounce. That's how it works. You could get a full ounce of gold, generic premium would be $40, $50. But everyone knows, every silver bullion dealer knows that most people cannot afford a full ounce, so therefore they have to push the premiums up for the fractional gold. That's the history of fractionals. It's always been like that. It's nothing new. But if you have this silver to gold ratio work for you in this way, it's really very smart. You don't have to pay that enormous premium for the fractional. You just accumulate about 25 of these at this current ratio, and you could swap it out, get a 1/4 ounce. It's really smart. It's a great way to look at it. And if you're still only wanting silver like me, if you're a silver bug like me, get that silver. Click the link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. It's great. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. I love this contest. Be the next winner. Click that link. I should have your name coming up next, taking home 20 American Silver Eagles. I'll see you guys on the next video.